Hello and welcome, everybody. In this video, we'll go over how to download and use your BookWormBiz Business Tracker. The first step in using your BookWormBiz Business Tracker spreadsheet will be to download it from your Members Resource Center. We covered logging into the Members Resource Center in our video on the basics of the Resource Center. Please refer to that video if you need a reminder. Once you are in the Resource Center, click on the My Authorship Business button. On the page that appears next, click on the link to download your business tracker. If you are working with the Microsoft Windows system, this may pop up a window asking you how you would like to download it. Here we will click to open the download in Windows Explorer. Once the download is complete, a Windows Explorer window pops up containing the download. Now, drag and drop the file to your desktop, and then double-click on it to open it up. We're now ready to start looking at the various tabs in your Business Tracker spreadsheet. The first tab that we will look at is the Task List tab. Within the Task List tab, there are several tasks that you should do on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. You can, of course, edit this sheet to contain the tasks that you feel are best for your business, and we have merely provided suggestions here for your consideration. The important point is for you to put all of the regular tasks here that are crucial for the success of your particular business. You should then refer to the task list often in order to keep your business on track. Now, we'll take a look at the Expense Log tab. On the Expense Log tab, you should record the date, who you met with, what the expense was, where the expense was incurred, as well as why the expense was a legitimate business expense. By recording all of this information, you will be ready should the IRS audit your business down the road, as this is exactly the information they are looking for to ensure that these are proper business deductions. And of course, this is also just the information about the expenses that are needed for your accountant to save you a lot of money every year at tax time. Another separate expense that can save you a lot of money come tax time concerns the business use of your vehicle. And you can record your vehicle use on the Vehicle Log tab of your business tracker. What I do, and what I recommend for you, is to buy a very small notepad and keep it in your vehicle. Then, get in a habit every time you use your vehicle of writing down the odometer reading, the date, the reason, and the address of each trip. The reason can be business, commuting, medical, or personal. Then, each week, take your notepad into your office and record the entries in your business tracker. For me, entering the information in the tracker takes about 10 or 15 minutes each week. At first, it may take a bit longer, but once you get the hang of things, it will go pretty quickly. Here, I will add some fake trips and odometer readings to show how it works. One thing that can make entering the data quicker is you might have regular trips that occur each day, such as you might commute to work and go to lunch every day. When that happens, you can hit Control-C and Control-V to paste the data back in the right place. Of course, you will have to enter your miles, and we'll put in some dummy data here to get us started. Let's say that we've got about a 8-mile trip to commute, and we want maybe a 10-mile trip to go to lunch round trip, and then 8 miles back home. Once we've entered the odometer readings, We can then find out what the miles are by simply highlighting the previous miles and then double-clicking on this little box. The spreadsheet has been set up so that it automatically makes the calculation. You'll notice here that I've got a negative miles, and that's because I made a mistake. You can easily go in and correct that mistake. And when you do, the miles come out correct. If, of course, you do it right the first time. And we can also grab a date by grabbing that box and moving it down and then cutting and pasting the date to the right spot. This is what you want to do every week. At the end of the year, you can then take this information to your accountant. He can filter on your business miles and your medical miles to find all of the tax deductions that you have coming your way. This can be an extremely valuable portion of your business, as you can get all of the vehicle deductions that you are entitled to. Next, we'll take a look at the Activity Log tab. Here on the Activity Log, you should record the date, what you did that day, and the total hours spent that day on your business. This documentation is valuable for two reasons. First, it can be very helpful to prove that you are running a business and not just pursuing a hobby. You can deduct expenses for a business, but not for a hobby. And one telltale sign that you are in business is that you work at it regularly. Second, and more importantly, recording daily activity will get you in the mindset of a business, and it will keep you working day after day. Regular work at your business is what leads to success, and by recording those efforts, you can stay focused on making your business grow. You can also look back to see what is working and what is not, so that you can improve your chances for future success. And now, we will take a look at our Business Plan tab. Every business should have a business plan, as having such a plan can give you valuable information concerning profit and loss in your business. On our Business Plan tab, we have included a sample business plan for your consideration. We have also included some instructions on how to prepare your own. You should look over our sample and make changes to it to reflect your own personal plans. Note that it is common to show a bit of a loss in the early months or years of running a business. But as long as the business is growing over time, you should consider keeping it going. Analyze the profit and loss every year to see how you can improve your bottom line. And you should update your business plan once a year. We recommend working with your accountant to get advice on how to make your business more profitable each and every year. By having a sound business plan, you increase your chances for success. The last tab to discuss is the Prospects tab. If you are running an authorship business only, you can stop this video now. But if you are interested in earning even more money by growing your own distributorship business, then the Prospects tab is very important indeed. On the Prospects tab, you will find several sections with different headings. In each section, you should record the name, email, phone number, date of first contact, date of the most recent contact, and any notes for the person that you have contacted concerning your business. Under the My Team heading, you should keep the information about your team's distributors, authors, and customers. Under the Working Now heading, you should keep information about those who you have contacted that might be interested in joining in the near future. You should list everyone that you can think of under the Prospects tab, as you will contact them over time. The Not Now category is for those who aren't interested in joining right now, but who might be down the road. You should record your most recent contact date so that you know when to get back to them in the future. The firm no's are those who will never want to be part of your business. You should try to contact as many people per day that you feel comfortable with. moving prospects into the other categories depending on whether or not they wish to join. Regularly working your prospect list is a tried and true method for growing any network marketing business. And this tab is important if you wish to grow a successful distributorship business with BookWormBiz. Now that you have watched this video, you have completed your overview of the BookWormBiz Business Tracker spreadsheet. To recap, recall that your business tracker included tabs for a task list, an expense list, a vehicle log, an activity log, a business plan, and a prospects tracker. These activities are the core activities for a successful business at BookWormBiz, and this tracker spreadsheet is included at no extra cost once you join BookWormBiz. By working hard and fully utilizing your business tracker, you will put yourself in a great position to declare every business deduction that you qualify for at tax time. But more importantly, regular use of your business tracker will help you keep focused on those important tasks that need to make your business a success.